Hello guys, so now we're going to get a coconut leaves to make a broomstick. So like this one, we will make a broomstick. So you need like that one. Ilang ganyan ang magagawa niyo sa walis?
Mga apat.
So one like that. You can make 4 broomstick. Apat agad dyan sa lahat na iyan?
Apat na garin.
Apat na. No, that's 4 like this. Ba't hindi nyo sinama yun? Ba't hindi nyo sinama?
Dahil mo po nung mura niya.
Mura. Dini, para mabili madaling ano. Saan ba kayo pwedeng kumuha? So this one, we will remove this one, and we need only this yellow one. Then we will have a broomstick. We need like 4 of.
Hindi, tama na yan. May maliit lang.
Okay na iyan? Kasya na iyan? Hindi ka sira. Sira naman yung dahon.
Ayan naman yung agos. Sige, wala.
Kakaunti ari.
Hindi, mamaya lang.
Dadagdagan. Ay, nalili natin sa loob. Ano pa? Ay, hindi pala pagkakayas. Kailangan din ng kahoy na ilalagay sa gitna. Kakaunti yan, tatay. Feeling ko.
Di kasi. Mainit.
Kakaunti.
Isang walis daw, apat na ampak lang.
O kaya nga, ay tatapusin na ngayon.
Hindi kukuha ulit mamaya.
Dati, dali natin sa loob.
Huwag sa loob doon.
Ay, sa doon.
Huwag doon ang kape. Dalawa. Isa.
This is sweet potato. But only leaves. Hindi kayo magayon. Nun. Doon.
Mag-gayot, may picturada akong mag-walis.
Oo. Pati ako yan. Ano? We will make like this. Kayo mag-ano nun?
May picturada.
Tayo, kukuha ka ng kusilyo.
So we will make the broomstick. So because we have only one right now, and I think this is not enough. That I will get maybe 2 more of same like this. 2 more so that we can make enough stick. Normally we use the broomstick to clean our surroundings, like in here, because there's a lot of dry leaves falling from the trees. Like this. And right now we have only one. That's why we will make another one like this. This is what we have right now, like this. So we will create one more. Hold on. You can sort it. Oops.
Ito nila.
Tayo. So this is how we make cut and remove that leaf. So this is how we make this one. You have to remove the leaves, the green one, and keep the stick. Simple as that. And then you will get this one. Like this. You will get like this. Maybe to make one broomstick, I think we have like 2 more like this much leaves. This is not enough. Maybe you'll take same like this. Okay.
Pag yatagay
It's easy. So one broomstick like this, we can sell it for 15 pesos. 15 pesos, inay. 15 pesos if you bring in the city. But here, you can sell for 10 pesos. If you bring in the market, it will become 15 pesos.
May tracking na... Wala ko mukha ng
Yeah.
tracking.
But, like this green one, like this yellow-green, you can sell it. Should be the dry one, the brown one. Bakit yung tuyo yung kailangang ibenta?
Ay pagka ganito, ang kinuha, ay ito yun, pag tinalian ay kikilis. Ay pag tuyo, ay di kung gaano ang igting ng...
Hindi na yun ano.
Hindi na.
Because if like this,
Hindi nakabuklod.
if you tie it and it become dry, it will small. It will become small. But if you make the dry one, it will stay as it is. Two at a time. It's easy. So we are making our own so that no need to buy. We use this broomstick to remove the leaves here. There's a lot of dry leaves in here. So this is how we clean the yard. See, the leaves is falling from the tree. Dry leaves. So many dry leaves. Look.
Magsuswerte rin.
We have this already, and we have remaining this little. So we need to take more from the tree. This is the second batch of the coconut leaves to make the broomstick. So this is what I made already, and I have few more here to make. So yeah, just finish this. So now we'll put this one to tie up. That, and then
Huwag pa pala.
we need to cut the edge.
Pwede palang...
Cut nyo ngayon. Yes, we need to cut the edge. Di, iputulin nyo na. Puputulin na.
Pwede palang tapos lang
Kasi
hindi naman ang iluluag. Ano kumilis.
Hindi, okay na yan ngayon. Putulin na ang putulin na yung dulo. Cut the edge.
Ayaw ko na rin yung
Wait eh! Dagpa ka na eh!
Taiwan.
Cut the soft part.
Tatalab.
Now we have our new broomstick. Done. So nice. Can you see it too?